Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter Panel Van Highline. It is a 2023 model and it comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission. It's also finished in the stunning Indian grey metallic paintwork. Taking a look at some exterior features now. On the front you'll find automatic headlights providing brilliant visibility. It also comes with the stylish 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels in that silver finish. And around to the rear you'll find parking sensors aiding in manoeuvring via audible indications. Into the load space you've got the rear tailgate door, inside applied lining, got a sliding side door as well for easy access into the rear, and lashing rings on the floor for load restraint. Making our way into the front, on the driver's door card you'll find the electric window controls and the heated and folding door mirror controls. Inside some nice styling in here with the two-tone black and grey and the cloth seats in the front here with manual adjustment. On the steering wheel you'll find the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions as well as your volume for the media, and on the right you have the next and back buttons as well as the digital cockpit controls. Taking a look at that digital screen, you can flick through assist systems, audio, telephone connectivity, vehicle status and the driving data. Onto the main media system under radio you'll find DAB offering stations from across the country, as well as the AM and FM wavebands. You've got an SD card reader, USB and Bluetooth audio for your own personal streaming. The Bluetooth can be used for hands-free calling as well to keep connected when on the go safely and legally, and it even comes with App Connect as well, which allows for USB smartphone integration. This way you can use apps such as navigation or personal media streaming such as Apple Music and Spotify through the system. The parking sensors also provide you with a diagram inside the car here. You've got the front and rear there showing you when you're close to obstructions. Underneath here you'll find the climate controls, which is super simple to use. On the right you've got the heated windscreen as well, clearing off the frost in the winter nice and easily. 6-speed manual gear stick just behind that, and to the left you'll find a 12-volt cup holder and the 2 USB charging and connection ports. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.